Hey, thank you so much for being here and watching the videos that I post and being a part of our wonderful YouTube family. I am so excited to share this video with you guys. But first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate your support in helping our channel grow. Again, don't forget the 1,000 subscriber giveaway is ending very soon. So you do want to make sure that you get yourself entered. If you are new, we would love to have you join our family here on YouTube. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The link will be below to enter the contest, so make sure you do that as well. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and dive into today's video. I am super excited. I cannot wait to open this package. This is from a company, a wonderful lady that I've been communicating with, BohoJewleryChic. She has an Etsy site and an actual website that is bohojewelrychic.com. And the jewelry looks gorgeous. It is all handmade and it is beautiful, and it's all metal-free jewelry except for the earrings. The only part of the earrings that is not metal-free is obviously the hook. Other than that, all this jewelry is completely metal-free. I'm very excited. She did very kindly send me this for free to share with you guys and show you. So super excited. I can't wait to see what is in here. I will make sure to link, like I said, she has an Etsy site and a website. I will link both below for you guys. You can go in and purchase individual items, but you can also join their Jewelry of the Month Club. It looks absolutely amazing. The Jewelry of the Month Club, it looks like there's two different ways you can go about it. You can choose either the stone, whether you want like wood beads or turquoise or like a mixed, or you can base it off of the actual type of jewelry, whether you want to receive necklaces, earrings, you know, the bracelets, different things like that, rings, and it looks like based on what you choose, it can be from anywhere from like $10 to $22 a month. So I will make sure that all of the information is listed below, like I said, as well as the Etsy site and her actual website. But we are going to go ahead and, first of all, how cute is this? Handmade with love. That is so cute. So we're going to go ahead and dive in here and see what she sent. And I'm going to show you guys these gorgeous jewelry pieces that she makes. So let's open it up. Go. Oh. Okay. Just looking here, reading. So right here, there's a note. Have you ever put on fashion jewelry made of various metals and after wearing them a few times realize the awful smell that develops? One day I was bored and started making hemp necklaces, and what I discovered after wearing them was that I no longer felt like I was adding toxins to my wardrobe. The main focus of BohoJewleryChic is creating non-metal jewelry made with 100% hemp, with the exclusion of earrings. Due to the high volume of request, they are made using 0.925 sterling silver hooks, which most people with sensitive skin can tolerate. Now you can turn heads without turning your skin icky, and best of all, the collections are handcrafted in the USA. And then it has the website, which right there, bohojewelrychic.com. Like I said, I will make sure to link that in the bottom. And all right, I'm gonna have to reach out to her because there's a code here. And I'm not sure if it's for me to share with you guys. I'm thinking it may be, but I'm going to reach out to her to find out for sure before I tell you anything about this. But I will make sure that it is in the description of the video. So look down below if you want to see if there is a code. So let's go ahead. There were 2 boxes inside. So beautiful. So we are going to start with this one. Okay. This Okay, this is the mixed stone collection. This is the bracelet and ring. And it says, included is your first shipment of a 1-month jewelry of the month club that includes our handmade variety box shipped to your mailbox every month. So keep your eyes open for your special delivery and we hope that you enjoy your gift. So this is the bracelet and ring. When you open it, this is what it looks like. It is mixed stone. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We'll start with the ring. Okay. And as you can see, there is absolutely no metal. How gorgeous is this, you guys? It's like definitely boho. It is definitely chic, and it is just gorgeous. It's so, I mean, it's simple, but it's beautiful. Like, and then here we have the bracelet. Oh, this is so gorgeous too. There we go. So you can see the bracelet has the same stone here, and then it has ones that dangle. That is just so gorgeous. And I love this because it's simple but beautiful. I mean, it's just so gorgeous. And I like, I don't know if it's picking it up for you guys, but the little clanking of the beads, that, I don't know, stuff that does that sometimes is always, I don't know, I like it. So that's gorgeous. Yeah, that's just beautiful. And like I said, this was the mixed stone collection. This is going to be the bracelet and ring listing. So let's dive into the next box. And then this is from their turquoise collection. This is the earring and necklace listing. And you guys, right away, oh my goodness. Are these earrings not absolutely gorgeous? They are so beautiful. Can you guys see? They are just gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we have a necklace. Oh my goodness. Y'all. You see this necklace? Look at this. It's like a button. It is gorgeous. Just the detail. And it obviously matches the earrings. This is so beautiful. I mean, there's different shapes and sizes of the stones, which gives it a little more character, and I think is absolutely gorgeous. I just, y'all, it's gorgeous. I mean, even though this is turquoise and the earrings are turquoise, I would still totally wear this bracelet with this because it's still the stone, and it's a complete, I mean, to me, it is still a complete look. It is just, it's beautiful. I mean, you guys, how gorgeous is this? So, like I said, I'm going to link her Etsy site. I'm going to link her actual website, bohojewelrychic.com. And like I said, you can go on the Etsy site, you can go on the website, and you can purchase individual items. But the jewelry of the month, I mean, if I receive something like this every month, you know, but a little bit different, I'm good. Yes, because these are so gorgeous. And the fact that they're handmade, and even the box says handmade with love, you know, is something, it's so unique and just beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know that I thoroughly enjoyed doing this unboxing, and think that these products are absolutely gorgeous. And everything is so reasonably priced too. I mean, even from what I saw on the website, the highest price for the jewelry of the month was like $22. And this right here, absolutely worth it, without a doubt. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, will link all of the information below and the links to the website, so you could head over and check them out and make a purchase. Again, thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.